Hi, I'm Chandran, working in Spyro Solutions as a embedded programmer. Now I'm going to tell about the project named Monitoring of Posture Allocations and using shoe-based wearable sensor. Here, the main objective of the project is to monitor the patient status using the bionic sensor base of wearable in shoe. The doctor can know the problem of the patient leg, and we are going to see the proposed system. Here we are using the block diagram. This is a transmitter section. Bionic sensor used to wear in the shoe, and it placed connected to the PIC microcontroller. The status should be transmitted through ZigBee, and the status should be shown in LCD also. And this is the receiver section. The ZigBee receives the signal and transmit to PIC microcontroller. The PIC microcontroller transmit to PC through the MAX232, and it updated to the doctor's PC through internet. Here, the bionic sensor used to monitor the leg status of the patient, and the doctor can feel the problem of the patient and give the treatment through remote areas. The doctor can identify the problem and easily give treatment. This is the main objective of the